Is a fascinating psychological phenomenon where our brains perceive familiar patterns, like face, in random or ambiguous stimuli. This tendency is deeply ingrained in human perception, likely evolving as a survival mechanism to quickly identify potential threats or friendly faces. Our brains are wired to recognize facial features, often seeing faces in objects, nature, or random patterns, even when they're not actually present. This phenomenon explains why we often see faces in everyday objects like electrical outlets, the moon, trees, or the front of cars. Pareidolia isn't limited to faces. People might also perceive animals, objects, or even religious figures in random patterns like burnt toast or cloud formations. Neuroscientists believe this occurs because our brains are highly attuned to facial recognition, with specific areas like the fusiform